my name's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to make your kids happy?
This is by Muji Block.
And it has made my children very happy. This is QLT's Flower House Building Set. I love how dreamy this set is and the quality of all these fine details with the light bulbs, the little flowers, the table. This bike actually has wheels on it. And I love that it comes with the lighting kit so you don't have to buy batteries. There's 579 pieces and they were able to put them together and they aren't flimsy falling apart as you're building it. Everything stays intact. It was easy for my kids to put together. They had so much fun building this.
My kids love this. They feel like it's fun and they can do so much with it. And the light that goes on and the windows that open just add to their excitement.
The instructions were not frustrating. They were easy to follow with pictures, and these were individually bagged in these little building bricks into sets. We didn't have to unbag everything all at once, so that made it easier. These fine details of the skylight here that slides out and these window shutters that open the glass, the entryway to the door, unique detail with the trash can lid, the bucket we have handle.
It really
encourages imagination and creativity. This is compatible with Lego Flower Friends, and it's been compatible with all of our Lego pieces that we have at home. And my son and daughter just really get into building.
It comes adorably packaged so you can give it as a gift.
If you want to spark that joy in your child's life, I'm sure this would help. But that's just my point of view.